what do you love the most about the holidays? Just like when holidays come to mind, what do you love?
Oh my God. So fall is my favorite season.
Okay.
Christmas is my favorite time of year. And when it goes from Thanksgiving to that night we turn on our Christmas lights, it just sparks something in me. I don't know. I play Christmas music all day. I just love the smells and the beautiful colors, the vibrant colors that Christmas brings. And it's always been that way, even since I was a little girl. But in my business, I get very creative during this time. Like I get so creative to where I want to make hundreds of gifts, and we know Christmas is only one day. And so I have to like notch it down a little bit because I can definitely go crazy with coming up with ideas and buying inventory and doing all that. But we don't have time for all that. We got to come up with a plan. So I do. It sparks the creativity. And then I began to write down what things that would be great. Who buys gifts during the holiday season? So those types of things help spark my creativity and start getting gifts created.
I love that. I'm thinking about sort of like the magic of Christmas.
Oh.
I think of, like even the Grinch Stole Christmas. I mean, yes, it's the Grinch, but I think of like Whoville and their cute little noses and like singing around the tree. Or
I know.
Charlie Brown. You guys can see the Charlie Brown tree.
I have my Charlie Brown tree that I get out every year. And I keep one ball on it. So this is my tree that I keep in the studio.
Do not despise humble beginnings.
That's right. But yeah, I look at that gift right there and I'll hold it up for you guys to see. But this gift was definitely inspired by the Grinch. It's the colors. It's the same exact colors of the Grinch. But yeah, those types of things help spark my creativity. And I'm able to make the gifts fun, and even for adults, make it fun for us. We're kids at heart too. We watch the Macy's parade. Yeah. And the best part of the parade is when we see Santa at the end. When you see Santa at the end, it's Christmas. It's like, oh my God, it's like going to Disney.
And
you get so excited. Yes. So all those things help my creativity, and I just love it so much.
I love that too. So Jenny, welcome.
Hi, Jenny. Thanks for coming on, guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
And I will say, Jenny, I'm wearing the lipstick that you sold me from Synergens. So I just have to say that. I love it. I forgot. Is it blue red? I'm forgetting what it was called.
It's beautiful, whatever it is.
Shout out Makeup by Jenny.
Oh, I love that.
I know. So cool. Christine and Jenny, we were just asking, what are things you love about the holiday season? And I see already that we have Christine answered, and she said that she loves family and sharing with others.
Oh,
she said gifting and gifts. It's her love language.
Yes, me too.
And Jenny, if you would share with us something that you love about the holidays as well, family, time off work. Although
I don't get that, but I miss that. Yeah, I work, even when I'm watching TV, I'm working. So I got to learn to shut it off.
I was just thinking about that. So Lisa, you're one of the, I would say one of the key characteristics of the Personal Gift Basket Company is just how creative you are. And everybody, most people would say that, and so she was just talking about how you have almost visions and dreams at night and you have to turn off your brain. I remember hearing about like Carol Burnett. She was the funny comedian. Yeah. She said she used to keep a notepad by the side of her bed. Yeah.
I love
Maybe you told me that.
No, but I love her.
Yeah.
I love her. And I love her. She has a wonderful business mind. I don't know if any of you know that about Carol Burnett, but she wasn't just funny and doing this. She had a wonderful business mind, and I really appreciate that about her.
I love that. That's wonderful. Okay, so now we want to hop into what is the favorite gift, your favorite gift you've ever received. And we want to know from you guys too, what is the favorite gift that you've ever received? And I mean, ever is hard, but like something that you truly loved receiving as a gift.
I have a husband who is known for spoiling me to death, and I love him so much. He is definitely, he knows that my love language is gifts. And I would say my best gift from him was, it wasn't even Christmas. It was for our anniversary. I wanted to go out of town. We had realized that we had been married over 20 years and we had never been out of Missouri for our anniversary.
Wow.
You want to click that light. It's gonna go dark. So he surprised me with a trip to Florida. So I think that was one of the best things, because it was more in a conversation that we spoke about it, and he heard me and he acted on it. And that, to me,
it was personal.
It was very personal. It was very personal. And we had a wonderful time. And so we've made the decision to do that every year.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. That's when we went to the 30A side over there in Florida.
Oh,
it was beautiful.
Gosh,
it was really, really beautiful, and had a wonderful time. So that's probably one of my favorite things that I've received, is because it was just the thought behind it.
Oh, I love that. Okay, so let's see. What did you guys say? You said Christine says one of my favorites was a homemade box of pictures and messages for my kids and husband.
Oh, I would have cried. I would have bawled.
I love that.
Oh, how adorable. That is really special.
Yes. And anything that shows a person you took time to care. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kid art. I love that. I have to admit, I don't know what to do with some of it.
Well, I was
every year.
My kids are all,
the rule on that?
They're all grown, and I still have most of their art.
Oh,
I mean, my oldest she's old, and she'll listen to this later. She's old, and I still keep her art. Like, I don't know, she wrote me a letter saying she was sorry, I think in 5th grade, and I still have it. So I love those types of things. They're very special to me.
I love that.
Yes.
I agree. Okay, Jenny says a handmade quilt from my mom with my old volleyball t-shirt.
Oh, yes.
That is Jenny, do you still have that? You see that regularly? That's so cool.
She said yes. Oh, it's beautiful.
I love that.
That's very special.
So one of my favorite gifts I was thinking about was it was a pair of white roller skates with bright pink wheels.
Ooh.
And I just asked my husband for those. They're selling them at Dick's Sporting Goods. In my size now. I'm bringing it back, baby. I'm bringing it back.
Well, you know, roller skating is coming back. Like, it's a big thing now.
It is fabulous.
Yeah, and it's great exercise. I don't know if you know that, but it is great. It helps the core, which I didn't know.
I need that.
Yep, it helps the core. I do need that.
So now I want to know, what is your favorite gift you've ever given? And it could be both, I want to know from you guys too, personal, so something you've given, and then also maybe one of your favorite gifts you've ever given as an order that somebody put in. So, okay, first, Christine says, my teenage daughter has requested those exact roller skates.
Oh, wow.
They're awesome.
What is the chance of that?
I mean, they're gorgeous.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Okay, so favorite gift you've ever given, excuse me.
So the best gift that I've ever given, I think, is... So you're talking to someone who loves to gift. Like, I think all of my gifts are, I put a lot of thought and effort into giving people what they really want. I don't know. I mean, I think all of them are so special. I can't even think of one. Like, I can't think of something that, oh, you know what? My husband, he's doing his office. He's like making his office into like this man cave type thing. And I got him an autographed basketball from Larry Bird.
That's really impressive. How did you get that?
It's a site, a memorabilia site that is like amazing. But yeah, that's when he opened that, I have never seen his eyes get that big.
Oh,
and my kids, I mean, I just think I'd always try to give them things that they love and that they enjoy. When they were little, we used to have this motto of doing something that they loved, something that they could learn. So like a educational gift, and then something that they could read.
Oh, I love it.
So that was kind of always our thing that we would do with the kids. And so I made sure that the love was something that they really loved, because they probably didn't really want the educational.
That's awesome. It was like 150% on the one and like 50% on the
Yeah, not even that.
Not even. Okay, so Christine said it's so hard to choose.
Yeah, it is.
Engraved cufflinks for my husband at our wedding that matched the ring. That's special to him.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Oh, that is really cool. And then Jenny giving my husband his dog. His reaction was amazing. Oh, King is crazy. Her dog, by the way, eats better than most humans.
My grand dog is named King. That's my grand dog's name is King. Yeah, grand dog.
So awesome.
I'm a proud grandma.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
The grand dog.
The grand dog. Okay, so I did want to know though, one of your favorite gifts that somebody ordered for somebody else, where you're like, oh wow, that's That's
now
cool
that's not hard
situation.
because it was such a special moment. I had a gentleman who wanted to drop off a box. I didn't buy it. I didn't curate anything for it. But he had these gifts and he had this special box and he wanted to meet me personally because this box, which I come to realize was very expensive. And he wanted me to gift wrap it. So I boxed all the other items, gift wrapped those, but he wanted this one specifically by itself. And he was like, yeah, you want to see it? And I'm like, yeah, I want to see it. So I open it up and it's this beautiful frog pendant, like a necklace pendant. But the back of the frog was rubies. His whole back was rubies.
Holy cow.
And he says, so it was not, he wasn't married. It was for his fiance. And instead of giving her a ring to ask her to marry him, he was giving her this beautiful frog because she was some type of person that, I don't know what that would be called, that did handle frogs. Yeah,
oh,
yes.
Dude,
yep.
I don't even know if they're amphibians.
I
got
don't know,
in science,
but that's what it was. And that was maybe about 7-8 years ago that happened. And he trusted me with it. I mean, he didn't know me, but he, dropped it off and I guess he got to look at my face. And, but yeah, it was so beautiful. And the way he cared for her, the other items that he had were things that she specifically loved. Like he took time to go and purchase these things, not even order them online. Like he went and bought these things and they were beautiful things that he had for her. And it was just so special that he really, really cared for her. But that pendant was just amazing. And it really touched me how much he put into that.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yeah, it was. It was really
I've actually never heard anything like that.
Nah, I'm not.
How old is he?
I mean, he was maybe in his 30s, 40s.
He needs to train some dudes.
Yes. Yes, he does.
To get him and Jade together.
Yeah, it was really special. It was really special.
Okay, so this is a question that I have because again, Lisa's the gifting coach. So who are you supposed to be getting gifts for? Because I feel like it's pretty evident that you're supposed to get gifts like for your family and you want to get gifts for your family. But like, who should we be gifting for the holidays? And how do we make that determination?
So, I mean, as far as a business owner, I always tell business owners, you want to give to, sometimes you want to kind of break out your list of clients. If you're a small business, this is easy. If you're a large business, this can be a little bit difficult. You may have to come up with another plan. But I always say, pick those people who have stayed with you, not necessarily how much they've spent, but how dedicated they have been to your service or product. And then show them. And I tell people this, not just for Christmas, but throughout the year. If you know someone's anniversary or a date that their dog passed away, touch them with something, even if it's something small, make sure that they know that you care. So for Christmas, I would do that same thing. I would just say, look at those people who have been with you, who used your products and services, who've referred you out, and get them something nice. And it doesn't have to be anything that's breaking the bank. It can be very small, very simple, but I think people realize what they're doing. That type of gift, having that type of gift is very special when they open it up and it's something that, something small and something cute and they can enjoy. So never forget your clients, vendors, even those
like if
types
you use like a printing company.
Yes, vendors, people that you work with for referral basis, those type of people. Those are great people. Don't forget your staff. Those are the people that make everything happen. If you have a staff, make sure that they are feeling valued and appreciated during the holidays. And then for individuals like us, our family, we pull names. So we don't have to buy.
Wait, what do you mean by family? Extended family?
So I have two sisters. Come on. I have two older sisters and then myself, and then we have nieces and nephews. So what we did for Thanksgiving was we put everybody's name in a bowl and we pulled one name. And so I got my mom's name. So
that's actually awesome.
And then on that piece of paper, she put down 3 things that she wanted that were under $30.
Oh, I love that.
So she'll get multiple things because I got her for that, and I normally buy her stuff anyway. So
Yeah,
it'll work
jackpot.
out in her favor. But yeah, I say that, do something like that where you aren't buying 20 gifts for people. And, if you can't financially afford that, that can be tough. Sometimes it's hard to say no during the holiday season.
Yeah.
We don't want to go and bankrupt January 1st. It's about the thought, it's about the love that can be shared. So
I wish that I could lift our third host.
oh yeah, hey Milo. Come here, buddy.
Milo.
I don't know if you heard him up there barking.
Participating.
Come
No,
here, buddy.
He's got something to say. He's beautiful.
Yes, come
I
here.
love this. Here we go. We just want to show him
See?
off.
Hi.
Can you see him?
He's a chocolate labradoodle.
I mean,
And he's
everything
my
she
baby.
has is beautiful. Like, he's this beautiful dog. Okay, so we are going to ask, first of all, we have a little contest right now. We want you to type in if you are wearing green and red.
Oh,
Are you wearing something green?
Christine, we can't see you,
I
so
know,
we
so you
don't know.
You have to tell us. This is like a trust.
We're going to
system.
trust you. It's integrity.
Tell us if you are wearing something with green and red. Okay, Jenny has red.
Green.
And Christine has
She
gray
was
and
honest.
pink. All right, Jenny, you're winning something. What did Jenny win by having some
Jenny,
red on? Lisa, what did she
win.
win?
Okay, so this is not a mystery box. I'll show you what's in it. But this is going to come to you. So you can send me your information privately. But I'm going to show you what's in the box. So, and this is a great gift too, guys.
Yes.
I mean, we hadn't really gotten into that yet. But this is one of the gifts that we make. We do, I can't even tell you how many we do every year.
You get the Grinch gift.
Yes, the Grinch gift. So in the small box, you're going to get those Mary Berries from Sugarfina. I don't know if you can see those. And then this is a gingerbread little chocolate bar, 2 caramels. One is original and one is salted. And then this delicious cranberry cashew bar. That's in the top one. And then in the big one, you're going to get some cinnamon sugar pecans and then some cinnamon sugar or cinnamon spice pretzels.
That's right. So,
Yay!
yay, Jenny.